Most people probably have an area of their house that's not as clean as tidy as it should be. Ours is right here. Let me show ya.
Traveling, exploring, and learning on the road. Fun family road trip.
When we moved into this fifth wheel, we had this large area here with the stairs that's kind of wasted space. So we bought these Trones from Ikea, which are awesome. They come in a 3-pack. We put 2 of them here, and we can store a ton of books in them. And so it's a great place. It's out of the way because this would kind of be wasted space anyways, because most people don't really hang out on the stairs. So then we can pile our stuff on top of them and below them, and we're actually using that space. So that's kind of nice. The stuff that we keep below, we have all Emmett's shoes and Emmett's bag of toys. In here, the kids have been working on some crafts. So we have some knitting stuff in there, extra books. There's their hats that they've knitted, more books. So these Trones are awesome because you can just kind of put them up against the wall. They're really secure and they hold a lot of weight. So we really like them. We have another one over in the bedroom. I'll show ya. So here's the other one. It's tucked over here. This is, in the door is our washer and dryer. And then that's a door that we don't really use. It's just our back door. We have the baby backpack hanging up there. And then another Trone that the kids keep their shoes in, and their boots are pretty big, so they go underneath, but then they're out of the walkway because they're tucked underneath the Trone. So I would highly recommend, if you have space in your RV, to get a set of these Trones from Ikea, and you can put whatever in them that's convenient for you, and they're right up against the wall. They don't take up a whole lot of space, but they hold a lot of stuff.
That